This is a second video on how to add sound effects to your video. In the first video, I showed you people how to add sound effects from the CapCut stock sounds. So in this second video, let me show you how to add sound effects from your device, how to import the sounds from your phone storage into CapCut and add them to your video. All right, so follow me, let's go there. Now, to add sounds from your phone storage or background music from your phone storage, this is what you do. Now click on this audio again. You know, before we use sound effects, that's for importing sounds that they have, the stock sound they have in CapCut. But this time around, we want to import our own sounds from our phone. Maybe you have already downloaded some sounds that you want to use on your video. So this is how you import those sounds into CapCut. Go ahead and click on sounds here. And you go ahead and click on this envelope here. Then you click on device. Click on device. We are still going to talk about extracted in another video. So when you click on device, it's now going to list out the whole audio files on your phone. So these are the audio files on my phone. All right, but since the particular one I'm looking for will not be showing here by name, so what I'm going to do is to search for it. So you now click on this search bar here, click on the search box here and search for the name of that particular audio I want to use. Now the audio file I want to import here is actually a compilation of different sounds that I want to use on this particular video here for this tutorial. All right, so let me go ahead and search for it. New sound, I think new sound for tutorial. All right, so let me go ahead and click on this plus here. But let me tell you this, take note, if you are not a CapCut Pro user, don't import, because if you import after editing your video, you won't be able to export your work, except you still go ahead and watch the video I talked about that I posted on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. So go and search for that video and watch it. It's still recent. All right, so it's a video I posted recently. So now go ahead and click on the plus sign here to import this particular sound. Now it has been added to my video. And then I will now have to go and position it the way I want it to be. Now let me play my video. So that's it. So after importing, then you can still go ahead and click on volume to either increase the volume or reduce the volume. Consider the type of video you are editing. For me, this particular video is not a talking video, so I can increase it for as much or as high as I want, because it's not going to disturb any voice in the video, because all the characters in the video are not talking. So now, after positioning it the way you want it to be, then you can now go ahead and export your video. Then again, before I forget, when you import your background music, maybe an already recorded sound in the studio that you want to use for your comedy skit as a comedy skit maker, or maybe any type of content you are creating that you already have your own recorded studio sound, then you import it here. If the sound is not that long to reach to the end of your video, this is what you do. You tap on the audio wave, scroll to the left and click on this duplicate. All right, so you keep duplicating it till it gets to the end of your video. All right, duplicate. When you have any background music that is longer than the length of your video, this is what you do to cut it off. Now, first of all, you have to scroll and pass that point where your video ends. Then go back again and tap on that your video tile, that's your video clip. That's when the playhead will now come and give you the exact point where your video ends. So you now go and tap on that audio wave again, then click on split and delete this excess part of the audio. All right, after adding this sound, let me still go ahead and import one particular sound effect that I downloaded. So let me still go back again, click on sounds, then I will now click on this file again, then click on device, click on this to search for that audio. Then let me search for third sound. Okay, this is it. So import. All right, so let me still add it to this my video. All right, so after adding your sound effects and arranging your sounds just the way I've shown you so far, then you go ahead and click on export to export your video. All right, so see you on the next video. In our next video, we are going to be talking about how to search for sounds online through CapCut, and also how to extract sounds from other video clips and add it to your own video. All right, then again, I will also show you how to download sound effects from YouTube and other social media places. All right, so that's all for this particular video. See you on the next one. Bye for now.